Today, we're diving into some incredible news about Huawei's latest game changer, the Huawei Mate X2. This triple foldable smartphone has taken the market by storm, and even Huawei itself was caught off guard by the overwhelming demand. Let's explore why everyone is buzzing about this device. The Mate X2 features a groundbreaking triple foldable design with a stunning 10-inch display when fully unfolded, transforming it into a mini tablet that fits right in your pocket. This versatility is perfect for productivity, entertainment, and multitasking, offering a unique experience unlike any traditional smartphone. Packed with top-tier specifications, including the latest processors and cutting-edge technology, it promises performance that keeps up with your lifestyle. Plus, Huawei's commitment to premium quality means you're getting a device that not only looks good, but performs exceptionally well. Users have reported that the experience of using the Mate X2 is truly revolutionary, setting a new standard in the foldable market. It's no wonder that within just 2 days of taking reservations, Huawei saw over 2 million requests. By the time of its official launch, that number skyrocketed to over 4.5 million. Now here's where things get interesting. Huawei wasn't prepared for this level of demand, initially planning to produce just 1 million units. With the massive interest in the Mate X2, they're now scrambling to ramp up production. So what do you think about Huawei's success with the Mate X2? Is this the start of a new era in foldable smartphones, or will Apple reclaim its position with the iPhone 16 in China? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next video.